Yes, we're off to the races. So we got the wheat field harvest with the ledgers. We got the Fendt 74 Gen 6 there, Stewart Pro Series trailer, Lexian 8900, the latest one, and the noise is from this thing that smashes the grass up a lot more. Very fucking dusty. 74 S4 there with another Stewart trailer. They got 1380 vario Claas header. But my word, it's so fucking dusty. And like you said in the intro, I've had already a full day out combining wheat with Nonnington Farms. Been in a John Deere 6250R. I've got a few videos on my YouTube and some waiting to come out soon. In John Deere 6250R with a Stewart trailer as well, and also mainly today I've been in their Claas Lexian 8700, which is not the newer series, it's one of the older ones. Still very nice. Look at that. Lovely. But yeah, very dusty. But then again, I'm already very fucking dusty, so I don't really fucking care. Yeah. Since, can't remember when, but I've been like doing some little moisture tests where I get one of the grains, put it and then chew into it and see how soft it is. And to be honest, this has been a waiting combining because it has been fairly dry. Then it got a bit wetter after it rained, a bit softer the grain, and now it'd probably be just right, nice and hard. So this is their third time around the fields. I don't know when they started a bit earlier ago because I know that only because my dad messaged me and told me. Otherwise I had no fucking clue. I wouldn't even know that they started. Fuck me, that's dusty. Get sunglasses on and look away. So I don't get fucking blind. Anyway, I'm going to stop swearing because that's probably enough for a video already. I'm just excited. This is what I like spending my time doing. Farming. Stuff like that. With there being in school and me not being old enough to have a driver's license, I don't really get to do that for a day job quite yet. Obviously when I'm older I will be able to. But you can't even see the... What's going even on? Nice combining but shit video taking.